Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that for in loop. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about that for off loop. So what exactly the difference between a for in loop and then for off loop? Into the for in loop, right now I want to do and to better remove it. Okay, I remove it and simply I take it. So friend, before here I take all that our array data, take the things with this variable, and here if you use it into the for in loop, and here first of all we have to start it with the index set, right? Here we take it into the index area, and into this index area first of all we get all that our key, and then we get that value. But if you use that as a for of loop, you get directly all that value. Some of the time you may need only that value. We don't need any key. Right before, you can see I have actually get that as all that key, and then this key related all that value I get it. Right now I want to do, I don't want to get this key, I only get that value. So if you want to get it, you can do that work with using that for of loop. So our structure will be just like that same. Here only we have to do that will be as a for, and then that is a let, I name it as a number. Okay, I name it as a number, and number of, okay, number of our numbers. Before I use it as a in, so now that will be as a numbers. Okay, so now with this for of, we will get everything. I show you, we will get all that our value. So now into the console, and into the console log, into this console log area, before when I use that as index, then what exactly it's get this data? It's before it's get that all that our key data, right? But here when you use that as a for of, it will be get that our value data. Okay, before I get that as index data, index means I get that all that our key data, but right now when you use that as a for of, and with these numbers, okay, that means with this number, now if you want to print it, like here I print it, then everything will be more clear. Click as a save all. Now that should be get only that our value data. Okay, now if you click as a refresh, now you can see it's not perfectly get that value data. I hope friend it's very much clear. So before when I use that as index with our for in, and right now I want to do to remove it. Okay, then everything will be more clear. Now click as a save all. So when you use that as a for in, it will be get all that our key data. Right, you can, if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh, you can see it's not get all that our key. But when you want to get that value data, then that will be as a for of, and for the for of, here I pass that our number. You can see it's not perfectly get all that our value. I hope you get some of the idea what exactly that main difference between for in and for of. In short, for the when you use that as a for in, you will get all that your key data, that means your property data, and when you use that as a for of, you will get all that your property related value data. Okay, so that is the simple things. I hope it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I'm going to discuss about that break and continue. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.